Here's the Graham Chronofighter 1695, model AN2CXAS. It is a 42 millimeter steel watch. It has a white face version as well, but this is the black faced version. And it has steel luminous hands and Arabic hour markers. One of the interesting aspects is that the 12 o'clock is applied steel and the others are loomed numbers. It is the caliber G1745 automatic self-winding movement. One of the nice aspects about this watch is that it doesn't have a running seconds hand, but you can see if it's running through the window in the back of this pretty piece. The arm is to actuate the stopwatch. It's a little bit of a overcomplicated mechanism, but they're trying to show off their Englishness, I believe. Okay, so it's the big arm to start and stop, and the small button to reset. So the configuration is on the left, I'm assuming, to make it easier to use it with the thumb.